Hi, I'm Darwin with the Healy Technology Report. Today we're going to have a look at a little trick here with using devices that have static IP addresses on a different network. So this is our Yaystar S20, and it comes with an IP address of 192.168.5.150. It's static. You just have to connect with that network. Unfortunately, that's not a very common network, and so I need to go in and reconfigure my network settings to be able to access that, and then I lose my internet while I'm doing that. So I'm going to show you a little trick here within Windows on how to retain your internet and still connect to those devices as you're initially configuring them. Okay, let's jump in, but before we do, our YouTube channel, youtube.com/Healy Canada, and please subscribe so as we add more of these, they show up for you right away. Okay, let's jump in.
Okay, so this is my command window. I'm going to type in here ipconfig. And you'll notice here that my IP address 10.100.0.215 is my primary IP address with a default gateway of 10.100.0.254. Now you also know here that I bound a second address to my network card 192.168.5.55, and because this address here, once factory reset, is 192.168.5.150, and is on that particular network, I'm able to access both this and my normal internet. And so when I open up a web browser, let's see if this is going to open 192.168.5.150. It automatically comes in here, and at the same time I do have access to my firewall. Now the way I do that is if I go into my network settings here and choose my adapter settings, there is one change that I need to make here, and that is I need to put my IP address on a static IP address. So I've chosen a static IP address on my local network here with my default gateway and with my preferred DNS. And then if I click on advanced, you can see here that I've gone in and you can add here, and you can add multiple IP addresses for different ranges for devices that might have static IP addresses. And that makes it really easy for you to stay on the internet, do what you need to do, but also go into the device and either set it as a static IP address within the range that you want, or change it over to DHCP. I'm Darwin Zook with the Healy Technology Report. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Healy Canada, and yeah, more great videos on the way. Thanks for watching.